To unhide photos and videos on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how you can do this. So if you go for the Photos application, and right here you will be not able to find these files which you have previously hidden, but you want to actually unhide them, you'll have to go for the settings first, and from here navigate yourself into the special features. Then go for the private save, and this is the place where you can find all of these hidden videos, files and other stuff which you have previously hidden. And if you don't know how to unhide them, let's go for the images and videos, and then select this album right here and select any files, any photos and videos that you'd like to unhide. Select all of them, all of these that you'd like to unhide, and here is the button to press the unlock to unlock these files. And now, as you can see, they are public. They disappeared. These images disappeared from this privacy save, and as you go for the Photos application, they appear back right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can unhide photos and videos. And additionally, this also includes audio files and documents. In case if you are having any of these right here, simply select them. Or right here you can also filter out which files actually you'd like to see. That's pretty nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can do this.